are those with a special surprise inside. Come and see what we have for you today. Hi, welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make small flavored stuffed French toast. First, you need to have a loaf of bread. I'm using my homemade bread, but if you want to elevate the flavor even further, you can try brioche for something really exotic. Cut the bread in thick slices like this. I'm making another cut in the middle of the slice of bread. It's gonna be like a pocket to feed the rest of the ingredients. Insert some crushed graham crackers. For a slice of toast this size, I'm using 4 pieces of Hershey Chocolate. I flattened pieces of 2 marshmallows. Insert them inside the toast as the final ingredient. Now it's time to make our French toast dip. Crack an egg. Add about 1 cup of milk. 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a splash of vanilla extract. Whisk them well together. I'm dipping the bread into the egg mixture. Let the bread sit in the dip for about 15 seconds to absorb the wet mixture before dipping it again for another side. Turn on the stove on medium heat. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add a tablespoon of butter and melt it. Add the stuffed bread to the heated pan. Reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Put the lid on to help heat the center of the toast. Once the first side is done, flip over the French toast and let it cook for another 10 minutes with the lid on. The French toast is ready. On the outside, it looks like a thicker version of traditional French toast, but inside is a melted treat your whole family will enjoy. You can decorate it with more marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate chips. But if you want to surprise your loved ones, don't add anything except a little powdered sugar or chocolate syrup and let them discover what is inside. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your family and friends about my channel. Bon appetit!